Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate sauce with cocoa powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: cocoa powder, granulated sugar, water, and a tiny pinch of salt. These basic items are likely already in your pantry. You'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk to combine everything smoothly. Having everything ready makes the process quick and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect sauce every time. Now, let's start by combining our dry ingredients directly in your small saucepan. Measure out 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It really helps to deepen the chocolate flavor. Whisk these together very well, breaking up any lumps, to ensure a smooth consistency when the liquid is added. Next, gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of water into your dry mixture. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, continuing to stir constantly. This prevents scorching and ensures even cooking. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for just 1 to 2 minutes to thicken slightly. Once your sauce has simmered, remove it from the heat. Now is the perfect time to stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of delicious flavor. Let the sauce cool completely. It will thicken further as it cools. Once cool, you can drizzle it over ice cream, desserts, or anything you like. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.